Hello everyone, I just want to emphasize on liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on videos. If you really found a video really worth watching, please, the only way you can support is liking, subscribing, okay, and sharing and even commenting, okay. Many people get to me and say, oh Hilary, your videos are good. I appreciate, but it's good that you like. When you like, you tell the system, YouTube, that it's a good video, and then they recommend it to another person. So your own way of pushing the video for others to also enjoy what you are enjoying is just by liking and subscribing. Thank you very much for your understanding. Stay blessed.
Larry Chin. Today I want to show you something that is very powerful. It's called Microsoft Bing. Microsoft Bing work like ChatGPT, but in my opinion is a better tool because it's powered by AI and also because it can be accessed everywhere. Now there's something with information. If it's available and not accessible, it's a problem to me. That's my simple opinion, and that's why I recommend Microsoft Bing to everybody across the world. If you're in Cameroon, especially if you're in Africa, please start studying using Microsoft Bing or searching. One of the power that you need in this economy moving forward is the ability to search specific things and get this information quick, because time is also a factor in this economy. If you have something that wastes your time, you are truly going behind. So Microsoft Bing, I'll be doing a difference. You'll be seeing how search using Google is so tedious and how search using Microsoft Bing is so simple. And with Microsoft Bing, again, you don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to understand how to use it. Let's move in so I show you what it looks like. So right now in my machine, and here, if you look at down here, I already have the Microsoft Edge here. So when you come to Microsoft Edge here, you look up here at this top here, it has this small sign. You see, this is my mouse. If you come up here on this small sign here, this is Microsoft Bing. Okay, it is automatically embedded in the Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a browser, or is like Google Chrome, but it's from the Microsoft Office. So right here you see that we have different options. So I want to be showing you some things here. The first one here is chat. Okay, so this AI tool, if you want to chat with this AI tool, you see it says ask me anything here. You see, so if I ask this AI tool anything, it's going to answer me. Okay, the next one is compose. So I want us to focus on chat and compose. Okay, compose here will be dealing with our emails. Okay, so let's start with chat. Okay, let's start with chat. So the first question we are going to be asking Microsoft Bing is how to download Microsoft Edge. Remember, you need to have Microsoft Edge to be able to automatically have the Microsoft Bing. Let's go. So to answer our first question, we are going to come to chat here. You see, this is the tools right here, and then we are going to come under here to this statement that says ask me anything. So I'm going to come here and say how to download Microsoft Edge. You see, I've just asked a question to our Bing here, so it's now how to download Microsoft Edge. You see, this is the question right down here. Okay, pay attention. And then when I ask this question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the question into the Microsoft Bing. You see, so it says how to download Microsoft Edge. You see, because we have to learn how to download Microsoft Edge to be able to get our AI tool here that is called Microsoft Bing automatically. Okay, so it's searching. You see, it says searching for download Microsoft Edge. So it's searching. I can stop it from here, but I don't want to stop it because I need to have the answer. You see, wow, it's giving us the answer here. You see, automatically it's giving us the answer. So this is the power of Microsoft Bing. It's powerful. It's a more precise and powerful search engine compared to Google. I'll be showing you this as you are seeing here. So right here you see that it says do download Microsoft Edge. You can follow these steps. You see, go to the official website Microsoft. You see, so this is the website here already. You see, download Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to copy this link here. I'm going to copy, right click, and then I click copy link. So I'm going to post right down to this video. Okay, and then you can follow these steps and download. So you see that it has already given us. But if I was asking this question to Google, it will give me a whole lot of stuff which I will not be able to even know where to go. Okay, so this is good for those of you who are not technology savvy to start using this tool. Is very important. So you can see here it has already answered my question and given me the precise answer. The second question we'll be asking Microsoft Bing is what are the best tech jobs now and in future? We come again to Microsoft Bing and we ask our next question, which is best tech jobs now and in future. You see, we have just asked this question and then we just come here and we click. You can see click enter. You see, So now it says best tech jobs now and in future. So I can stop it from here. Okay, so it's responding. So we want to see. So this is how Microsoft Bing works. So it says searching for best tech jobs now and in future. So it goes and brings the exact answer that you need. It doesn't bring things in a junk way, like what Google Chrome does or Google does. Okay, so it's going to go precisely and bring you that information. You see what it's doing? You see what it's doing? You see what it's doing here? You can see here. So you see, it's writing the jobs. So the first one is data science. We already see, you see, it's writing. That's the first one. Best tech jobs now and in future. Okay, so we have just given the answer. I'm not writing anything. I'm just watching. Okay, so, software developer. You see, that's the second one. The other one is information security analyst. You see, cyber security. Okay, that's it. So I'm not writing. I'm not texting anything. So the Microsoft Bing is giving me all the answers. Computer systems analyst. You see, that's the fourth one. So it's writing everything, and they say web developer. You see, these are the best tech jobs now and in future. So Microsoft Bing is giving me everything. You see, so Microsoft Bing is like a human being that you have asked a question, and then that human being knows the question and is giving you one-on-one. So it's like a mentor giving you one-on-one. So sales engineer, you see, it's still writing. Microsoft Bing is still searching and giving me all the jobs. You see, information technology manager. So you see, it can search and search and search and search and search. Okay, so because of time, we are just going to end here. You see, it has given you precisely every answer that you wanted. And the third and last question according to this video that we're going to be asking Microsoft Bing is, what new functions do we have in Excel? So the next question we want to ask our Microsoft Bing here is new Excel functions. Okay, so we want to know new functions in Microsoft Excel. So we want to know the new functions. Okay, and then we are going to come here and just pose this answer or this question: new functions in Microsoft Excel. And then you see I can stop it from here. Okay, and it says searching for new function in Microsoft Excel. So it's going to go and bring me those answers specifically and precisely in such a way that I cannot argue. Okay, that is what Microsoft Bing does. It works most powerfully than the ChatGPT. See, the first one is text before, text after. You see, these are the new functions that Excel has just designed. You have text split. Okay, it's giving me every answer from step to step. It said var stack, h stack, v stack, h stack. It's like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So you see, okay, choose rows, choose columns. Okay, these are the new Excel functions. It says filter, sort. Sorry, it says sort by unique sequence, random. You see, these are the different specific Excel functions that have been created from by Microsoft. So please, this is a very powerful. Now let's answer these same three questions using Google and see how tedious it is. So right here, if we use Google, you see, this is my Chrome. If I come here and I ask how to download, how to download Microsoft Edge. Okay, it already gives me. See, and I press enter. You see that it gives me a chunk of information here. If you are not tech savvy, it will be difficult for you to really get the exact site. And also here, you can go to sites that are not real or sites that are fake. Okay, so you see here, but you see that Microsoft Bing was able to really pick out the exact site and the correct site and gave to us. If I come again and open my browser here and I ask the next question and I say best tech jobs now and in future, best tech jobs now and in future, you see, and then I click OK. You see that, it gives us different sites about different things. It just gives us a chunk of information. You have to start going in here and looking for the right information. So this is the power of Microsoft Bing that I'm really recommending for you, and also ChatGPT. But I think Microsoft Bing is more accessible than ChatGPT. If you're in Africa, you're in Cameroon, etc., you should start using Microsoft Bing. It's free. Okay, if we come again and ask our last question here, I really want you to see the difference. New functions in Excel, new Excel functions, you see, and I click OK. It still gives us a chunk of file. You see, take an online Excel course. It has different websites that it brings to you, but you saw that Microsoft Bing was able to just take and bring to us exactly what we needed.
So I think this is very important. You have seen the difference for yourself, and you can make your choice now for yourself which one to use. Tool. Another very interesting thing I want to show you about Microsoft Bing is that it's powerful when it comes to composing messages. Okay, if I come here under compose, I want you to focus here. Look at my mouse. Just focus here under compose. Now we are going to be seeing what Microsoft Bing is going to be doing. Let's say I want to send a mail to my boss. I come here and I start composing my email. And then let's say I want to send to my boss here. Let's say my boss is Newsemo Tech 12. Okay, and then let's say the subject is just mentor. Okay, good. Now I come here and then Microsoft Bing is asking me a question. It tell my network I accepted a new job at Microsoft. Okay, now here it says you want to know what I want to write about. So I want to salute my boss. Are you seeing now? So I'm telling Microsoft Edge that hey, or Microsoft Bing that hey, I want to salute my boss. Okay, and Microsoft Bing is asking me, do I want to make it professional? What's the tone? Is it professional? Is it casual? Is it enthusiastic? Is it informational? Is it funny? So I've chosen professional. Okay, and then Microsoft Bing is asking me again, do I want to make it a paragraph? Do I want to make it an email? Do I want to make it a bio post? Do I want to make it an idea? And then I'm just going to come here. Let me delete this first stuff. Okay, and then I'm going to come here now, and it's asking me, do I want to make it short, medium, or long? So I want to make it just short. So I'm going to click this option, and then I want to make it an email. I'll click this email option, and then I'll come here and I say generate draft. You see, so it's generating a draft here. So give it some time. Wow, you see the magic? You see, so this is what we are seeing here. So you see, so Microsoft Bing has been able to write me a small nice post saluting my boss. It says, I am writing to express my gratitude for your leadership and guidance, etc., etc. You see, you can read. You guys watching this video, you can start reading for me. So this is a short email that Microsoft Bing has written for me. You see, sincerely your employee. You see, that's it. You see, so it was able to capture, to understand that I was writing, I wanted to salute my boss, and then got this. Now if I want to add this to my email, I just come here and I say add to site. I just come here and I click maybe in a website or wherever, and you just click add to site. And then once you click here add to site, you see it automatically brings it here. You just come here and do some small adjustment. Maybe your boss's name you can change and all that, but this is the short, concise, and very catchy statement that Microsoft Bing has written for me. This is how powerful Microsoft Bing is. Our next video we are going to be looking at how to look for insights using Microsoft Bing. So in my opinion, it is the best. It's more powerful than ChatGPT because it's used all over and everyone can access it. Thank you very much and stay blessed.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please stay connected. I repeat, the power in this economy is to be able to search information and get that information that you need at that particular moment, because everything can be studied or learned online. Okay, time and ability to search, these are two key factors that I consider in this economy moving forward. Stay blessed as we move forward. Please remember to subscribe and remember to like and just comment down below what you think we want to learn moving forward.